everyone. Today we will study lesson 3. What do you want to eat? And this is a PDF form of the textbook. So on the book, the first part is the phonetic part. So we will listen to the audio and you can read after with the audio. Okay, let's start.
第3课，你吃什么？语音1，声母歌、
歌、
科、
科、
喝。
喝。
2，韵母 i、
I
a、
A
凹、
O
o、
O
安、
An
n、
N
昂、
On
嗯、
On
翁。
On
3，拼音
Part 3.
嘎、
Ga
歌、
Ge
咕、
Gu
咔、
Ka
科、
Ke
哭、
Ku
哈、
Ha
喝、
He
呼、
Hu
掰、
Bai
杯、
Bei
包、
Bao
班、
Ban
奔、
Ben
帮、
Bang
崩、
Bung
拍、
Hai
呸、
A
抛、
Pao
剖、
Po
攀、
Pan
喷、
Pen
乓、
Pang
烹、
Peng
麦、
Mai
妹、
Mei
猫、
Mao
猫、
Mo
慢、
Man
闷、
Men
忙、
Mang
蒙、
Meng
飞、
Bei
夫、
Vo
班、
Ban
分、
Fen
帮、
Bang
风、
Feng
呆、
Dai
逮、
Day
刀、
Dao
兜、
Do
单、 能
能
弄
弄
来
来
勒
勒
捞
捞
搂
搂
蓝
蓝
浪
啷
楞
楞
龙
龙
该
该
给
给
高
高
勾
勾
干
干
跟
跟
刚
刚
更
更
公
公
开
开
K
K
敲
敲
抠
抠
看
看
坑
坑
康
康
坑
坑
空
空
嗨
嗨
黑
黑
蒿
蒿
吼
吼
憨
憨
哼
哼
夯
夯
哼
哼
轰
轰
Okay, so that you may find that on the book it's a little bit different from the audio. For example, on the book we have this syllable t, but in the audio there's not there's no this syllable. So you don't need to worry about that. The textbook and the audio have a little bit difference. Okay, now let's continue. Also pronunciation part. First is discrimination, initial discrimination. Okay, let's listen to the audio and you can read after with this audio.
语音练习一，变声母一，该，开，二，喝，歌，三，干，憨，四，空。公五好考六肯狠七投稿投考八米缸米糠九呼喊哭喊十后位够位
Okay, part 2.
二变韵母一肯砍 6. 考，口。7. 木盆，木棚。8. 开饭，开放。9. 够了，告了。10. 百步，北部。3. 变声调
Part 3.
1. 粪，奔。2. 毛，卯。3. 累，垒。4. 帮，绑。5. 根，梗。6. 横，横。7. 后方，后坊。8. 开发，凯发。9. 离开，利凯。10. 舞蹈，舞蹈。
Okay, then you may find that number 8 and the number 9, the book is different from the audio. So these two is special. You just leave it. Others you can read with the audio. Okay, now let's look at part 4. Listen to the recording and then fill in the blanks. This time is not read after the audio. You have to take out your pen and with this audio, try to fill in the blanks, what you hear. Some part you need to fill in the initials. Some part you need to fill in the finals. Some part maybe you have to also write the tones. Also write your tones. Okay, now let's listen the audio and try to, you can take out one pen and a paper. You can write your answer on the paper and later I will show you the answer. I will later show you the right answer. Okay, now let's listen.
4. 听录音填空。1. 卡。2. 很。3. 黑。4. 看。5. 刚。6. 更。7. 顾客。8. 涵盖。9. 控告。10. 慷慨。11. 航海。12. 工会。13. 买。14. 胖。15. 偷。16. 老。17. 盘。18. 懂。19. 内行。20. 百倍。21. 坦荡。22. 本能。23. 毛憨。24. 陡坡。
Okay, this is part 4. If you think the audio is a little bit fast, after the class, you can also download the audio and you can listen the audio by yourself. You can listen 2 or 3 times and try to finish this exercise. So let's first finish exercise 5. Then after exercise 5, I will show you the answer of exercise 4 so that you can check your answer by yourself. Okay, the last part, exercise 5, part 5. Read out the following syllables. This is syllables also together with the tones. So you can read after the audio, attention the tones. Okay, let's start.
5. 朗读下列音节：房间、明天、同学、银行、没有、啤酒、邮票、得到、别的、头发。生词。
Okay, so this is this part is for the pronunciation part. So now I will show you the answer of exercise 4. You can check by yourself. So this is the answer of exercise 4. If you got any mistake, after class you can listen the audio again and try to write down your answer. You can check by yourself whether you have problem on the syllable, on the tones, or on the initials or on the finals. After class, you need to try to listen more times. Okay, that is the pronunciation part of lesson 3. Later, we will study the words, the new words of lesson 3. Okay, now let's take a short break.